Hey, welcome to the shop. So today I've got some Bose noise cancelling headphones, and I bought them as is. They've got the pads are all kind of worn out and gummy. I'm going to replace those, figure out a way to do that where I can buy them, and also where you put the battery in. Took me a little while to find it. Right here. It's all corroded, so I'm going to take them apart and see if I can clean that out, clean the battery compartment out, and get these pads replaced. And it shouldn't be a long video, but it should be kind of interesting, I think, to take a look inside, see what's inside these guys. So I put a battery in there, and you can see it's pretty corroded in there, quite a mess. And so I think I put a battery in and I checked, and I wasn't getting any sound out of them. So looks like I'm going to have to open them up and take a look, see what's going on. Let me first see if I can get these things off. Alright, so this one's got a speaker. I'm not sure what this metal deal is here. Looks like it was connected to here. Maybe? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what that is. Let's get the other side off. Oh, same thing, except it's glued down. Glued down right there. So that looks like it'll have to be cleaned off and re-glued. Whatever it is. So it looks like there's just 3 screws in here. This looks like the active side, so I'll take it apart. Oh, I see. Okay. Missed one. Yeah, so I took the other side off, and there's a lot going on over here too. But you can see here some of the corrosion from the battery. I'm going to see if I can clean that up a little bit. Okay, so I think I've cleaned it off pretty good. I don't know. Let me try putting a battery in it again. See if we have any voltage coming through from the battery. So I think these are the where the two battery connections come in. It's only 0.8 volts. So I got to figure out some way to clean that in there. And it looks like it's all glued in. Okay, I'm going to try this. This will get down in there and not be too abrasive. Looks like it might be helping. Yeah, there's still quite a bit of gunk down there. I'm just going to have to try to dig it out. I'll figure something out. Well, it looks like we've come to life. And you can hear sound coming through it. And so now I'm going to put it back together and glue. Now that I think about it, this is probably a tweeter here. I'll glue that down. And then I'll see if I can order some new earpieces for this thing. And I don't know, I put them on. They sound pretty good, but they do have feedback without all the stuff on them. Yeah, so I think that's a tweeter in there, and it come loose. Then I had to clean up that foam that was sitting there, and so then I've just put a little bit of epoxy back in there, just to kind of hold it into place. It looks like this is what's left of the foam. That here, I think that foam is right here, but it's worn out on both of them. Okay, the glue turned out pretty good. Looks right. So now I just have to reassemble. So yay, I got my new earpieces. Wicked cushions. Pretty fancy. Okay, so I got the first one in, and the orientation does make a difference because this piece here actually goes flat up against here, leaving kind of an air gap in here, and yeah, so that then this piece over here sticks along here. So if we come over here on this side, so you got to get the side right, and you got to get the orient up and down right. Okay, so that goes there. Then push that down into there. So it sticks kind of right there. And then just kind of get this started underneath. It's got these little clips here. Get it started underneath some of the clips. I just use my fingernail and kind of push it in. Okay, try again. And just do what you can to kind of get it underneath those clips. I'm just checking. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So I got a pretty nice pair of headphones. I especially like these like when I'm in an airplane, and really hurts my ears otherwise. But like I said, I cleaned out that battery thing. And one of the mistakes I made is I used steel wool. I would not do that again. Instead, I'd use like a little scrubby pad from the kitchen. And the reason is that the strong magnets in the speakers really attracted all those little filings, and it was kind of a pain to get rid of them. But yeah, I bought these broken, and it wasn't too hard to fix them. Get them all apart and get them all back in shape. And so if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe if you like fixing things like me, and thanks for watching.